Welcome back to our strange universe, your go-to for the bizarre, the unexplained, and the downright mysterious. Today we're diving into a phenomenon that's been lighting up our skies and our social media feeds. Are these drones, UFOs, or something else entirely? Let's explore. In recent weeks, the night skies over the United States, particularly the Northeast, have been buzzing with reports of mysterious flying objects. From New Jersey to California, sightings of what many describe as drones or UFOs have sparked a whirlwind of speculation and concern. People have reported seeing objects described as car-sized drones, moving in swarms or individually, often over sensitive or populated areas. These objects have appeared near airports, military bases, and even over Trump's golf course. But what's really going on here? The FBI, DHS, and local authorities have been investigating, but so far, no concrete evidence points to a national security threat. They've identified many as civilian drones or misidentified aircraft. Yet, the mystery persists. To understand the present, we often must look to the past. Let's journey back to ancient times where UFOs weren't called UFOs, but were depicted in art and lore. Think of the cave paintings in Tanzania or the vimanas of ancient Indian texts. Could these be early interpretations of what we now call UFOs? Fast forward to 1947, Kenneth Arnold's sighting of flying saucers near Mount Rainier marked the beginning of the modern UFO craze in the US. This incident led to the term flying saucer entering our lexicon and sparked the famous Roswell incident later that year. During the Cold War, UFO sightings surged, with many attributing them to advanced military experiments or even Soviet tech. Projects like Blue Book in the US were set up to investigate these phenomena, but most remained unexplained. What can we learn by comparing these sightings? Historically, UFOs have often been reported near military installations or during times of technological advancement. Today's sightings follow a similar pattern, but with a twist. We're in an era where drones are common, blurring the lines between tech and the unknown. Each wave of sightings reflects the fears and curiosities of its time. The 50s were about nuclear fears and Cold War paranoia. Now, it's drones, AI, and surveillance culture. But what does this mean for us? Are these sightings a case of advanced terrestrial technology, or are we witnessing something beyond our current understanding? Could it be that the technology we're seeing is just a preview of what humanity could achieve? Or are these truly extraterrestrial visitors? While some of these sightings might be explained away by drones, the volume and nature of them suggests something more intriguing, or perhaps more mundane than we imagine. It's a reminder that our skies are not just the domain of birds and planes, but a canvas for our collective imagination and curiosity. As we continue to explore our strange universe, we're left with more questions than answers. But isn't that the beauty of mystery? Keep your eyes on the sky, folks, because whatever is up there, it's certainly making our world a lot more interesting. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the mysteries above. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment your thoughts on these sightings. Until next time, keep wondering and questioning in our strange universe.